Welcome class 11. This is our last chapter of SP, lesson number 12, correspondence with statutory authorities. In there, today we will see the topic precautions to be taken by secretary while corresponding with statutory authorities. Means when the company secretary has to correspondence with the statutory authorities on various occasions, so while writing various letter, the secretary should give due respect to the different officers, statutory authorities who are the head of the department, and thereafter he have to also provide the complete and correct information to them. So the writing letter to the statutory authorities is a challenging task for the secretary, and it requires skills, knowledge and technique. Okay, so today we will see how the company secretary corresponds with the statutory authorities. So very first point has given here the prompt reply. Students, prompt means what? Prompt means the sending reply in very quick process. बहुत ही क्विक प्रोसेस में मीन्स वेरी फास्ट रिप्लाई देना. ओके, दैट इज द प्रॉम्प्ट रिप्लाई और वी कैन से द प्रॉम्प्ट रिस्पॉन्स. The secretary should promptly reply to any letter or inquiry received from any of the statutory authorities. Means when secretary get any letter or an inquiry from the statutory authority, the secretary has to give the prompt reply. Means the secretary must be prompt in sending reply to the letter which is issued from the statutory authorities. Any questions or queries raised by the statutory authorities must be promptly replied by the secretary. And the complaint letter, if it is there, so there should be prompt अटेंडेंट टू विदाउट एनी डिले. बिना किसी डिले के, बिना किसी देरी के सेक्रेटरी को क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रॉम्प्ट रिप्लाई देना पड़ेगा. सो द सेक्रेटरी शुड प्रॉम्प्टली रिप्लाई एंड रिस्पॉन्ड टू द क्वेरीज एंड कंप्लेंट्स ऑफ द स्टैट्यूटरी अथॉरिटीज विदाउट एनी डिले. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज देयर लीगल एस्पेक्ट्स. ओके, what is the meaning of the legal aspect? Means the secretary have to follow the legal provision while writing a letter. So while replying to any letter received from the statutory authorities, secretary has to ensure that the all legal formalities or provisions are properly followed. सारी provisions formalities क्या होनी चाहिए? प्रॉपरली फॉलोड एंड फुलफिल होनी चाहिए. When necessary, secretary should enclose required document, proofs, etc. Where it is necessary, secretary has to attach or send the important evidence, proof, documents which is necessary. Okay, means the secretary should compulsorily follow relevant provisions of the Companies Act 2013 with latest amendment and other relevant laws while corresponding with the statutory authority. While drafting this letter, if necessary, secretary should also consult with the legal advisor on certain matter if it is necessary then. And thereafter he has, if necessary, so he have to send the required document as a proof or a evidence. Means in collectively, the secretary should follow the statutory provision of the Companies Act 2013 and other relevant laws while corresponding with the statutory authority. And secretary should be very cautious and careful while corresponding with statutory authorities on legal matters. Okay, now point number third is the accuracy. What is the means of accuracy? Accuracy means it will be correct. The letter should be very correct. जो भी लेटर लिखा जाएगा सेक्रेटरी के तो वो क्या होना चाहिए? करेक्ट होना चाहिए. मीन्स देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी फेक इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, so all information provided by the secretary to the authorities should be true and accurate. Means the secretary should always provide correct, up to date and factual information to the statutory authorities. जो केयर शुड बी टेकन वाइल गिविंग फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर, जो भी फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर देगा सेक्रेटरी, उसके लिए सेक्रेटरी को क्या होना चाहिए, बहुत ही केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा. ओके, so it means there will be the very precise information. The secretary should provide precise and up to date information to the statutory authorities, and the information must be factual and true, means there will be no any fake or mislead information. Now fourth point is the clarity. Yes, letter should be very clear. Letter क्या होना चाहिए, बहुत ही clear होना चाहिए. Okay, means secretary have to avoid or ignore the confusing words. जो confusing words होते हैं और जो भी irrelevant information होती है, okay, it must be avoided by the secretary. Means unnecessary जो information होती है, whichever is the irrelevant information, it must be avoided by the secretary. So the letter to the statutory authority should be concise and clear. It should be in brief, short and to the point. Unnecessary and irrelevant information must be avoided. Okay. So while providing information or while replying to any queries, the secretary should convey the information in precise, explicit and simple manner. It should be very simple. Confusing words will be avoided. Okay. Now, अब जैसे क्लैरिटी करें तो देर विल बी वेरी सिंपल वर्ड. द सेक्रेटरी मस्ट बी यूज वेरी simple words, simple sentence, and he have to adopt the convincing style while writing letter to the statutory authorities. Technical words, long sentence should be avoided in the letter. Means it should be very easy to understand. It should be very easy and convincing style while writing letter to the statutory authorities. Point number 5 is the brevity. Okay. Brevity means the secretary have to take care while writing the letter to the authorities. So should be keep in the mind the letter should be very short and brief. Letter क्या होना चाहिए, short होना चाहिए, brief होना चाहिए. Means unnecessary जो informations हैं, letter should not be very long, बहुत ही long नहीं होना चाहिए. Should be very brief, short होना चाहिए, and it should be in a very simple language. Okay. Irrelevant information must be avoided. जो भी irrelevant informations है, जो ज़रूरी नहीं है, जो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन ज़रूरी नहीं है, वो क्या होनी चाहिए, अवॉइड कर देनी चाहिए. ठीक है. मीन्स लेटर क्या होना चाहिए, एकदम ब्रेव होना चाहिए. ब्रेव मीन्स शॉर्ट में होना चाहिए, ब्रीफ होना चाहिए. ओके. मीन्स इट शुड बी वेरी पॉइंट टू पॉइंट. इट शुड बी ब्रीफ एंड इट शुड बी वेरी कंसाइज. ओके. नाउ द लास्ट point is the courtesy. Okay, courtesy means what? Courtesy means politeness. Every correspondent with any statutory authority should be courteous. This creates a good impression on the reader. It creates a good impression. Means a courteous letter shows sympathy, respect and mutual understanding. And politeness means use of the courteous language. Okay, so the complaint letter, if there will be, so the complaint letter should be replied politely. Rude language should be strictly avoided while corresponding with the authorities. Okay, so there will be use the politeness. यहाँ पे politeness होना चाहिए while corresponding with the statutory authority. Okay, means being the हम लोग ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, being the एक कंपनी के थ्रू due respect should be given to the authorities in secretarial correspondence. The tone of language in the letter should be courteous. जो भी लेटर में टोन, लैंग्वेज का जो टोन होता है वो क्या होना चाहिए, बहुत ही पोलाइट और courteous होना चाहिए. Rude and harsh language should be strictly avoided. Okay, so means इससे क्या होगा, it create a bad impression. If company secretary are using the harsh and rude language, should create a bad impression. But if company secretary are using the polite and courteous language, so it create a good impression, and जो authorities, those are the officers, they can impress on the company. Okay, so here the secretary have to use the very courteous language. So today we have seen the total 6 points related to the precautions which is taken by the secretary while corresponding with the statutory authority. Beside this, more other points are there, like transparency. Letter should be very transparent. Okay, it should disclose the all correct and accurate information. Okay, इस सारी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए. एंड देयर आफ्टर प्रिसाइज इंफॉर्मेशन होना चाहिए, अप टू डेट इंफॉर्मेशन होना चाहिए. एंड सेक्रेटरी आल्सो हैज़ टू मेंटेन द secrecy, and secretary has to also want to maintain the image and goodwill of the company. ये सारी बातें भी उसमें होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. And consideration is very important factors while corresponding with the statutory authorities. So this all kinds of the precautions which is taken by the secretary while corresponding with the statutory authorities. And the next video we will come with the new topic. आज के लिए इतना है. Goodbye, take care.